on Monday evening. This three-day festival showcased over 60 films from 9 countries.
The three-day South Asia Film Festival concluded on Monday. Kala Academy President Pratap Singh Rane, SAFF Organizing Committee Head Jitendra Deshprabhu, ESG CEO Manoj Srivastav, Rahul Barua and other eminent film personalities were present for the concluding ceremony. Pratap Singh Rane asserted that the exhibited movies have conveyed a message to the society.
For the last 3 or 4 days, you have seen some of the best films that our young people from South Asia have produced. And these films have not exceeded a budget, but yet the quality of the films has been very good. Some of the films, like the one I saw this morning, each film has a message to the public. People of this planet Earth who are moving towards democracy all over the world, the human rights, and what can be done. And it is the young talent and the creativity that is seen from this region, the South Asia.
Eminent film personalities like Manisha Koirala, Neeraj Pandey, Pankaj Parashar, Ajay Kapoor, Hasan Sinha, Piali Munshi added more glitter to the concluding ceremony. Rahul Barua, Manoj Srivastav, Rajat Kapoor, Manisha Koirala and Jitendra Deshprabhu expressed their views. Prior to the concluding ceremony of SAFF, Manisha Koirala had a press conference on Monday morning. She said that film festivals like SAFF are a necessity for young aspirants in entertainment world.
So many amazing kind of the themes, their style, their whole thing was so amazing. I was really impressed with the quality of work that is happening here. So likewise, I'm sure around the region, I'm sure it's same thing is happening. Is the talent is booming up, and we need to kind of have a ground for younger people or younger generation or this generations or coming generations people to come together, share ideas, share the quality of work and learn from each other and grow from here. Platform बना रहे हो जहाँ जाके filmmakers आए और एक दूसरे की फिल्में देखें और exchange करें ideas. It's all about evolving to become better human and better filmmaker and better in life, in every aspect of life. And this is a great platform for learning and growing.
A reporter from Panaji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi for Prudent Media.
Time for a short break. Watch after the break. Salt soda brings fear of contaminated water again. Panji Municipal Corporation has decided to meet the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath to resolve the Bangini site issue. Corporation has agreed to implement 6th pay commission for their staff only for the month of June. These decisions were taken during a meeting of corporation in Panji.
The meeting was attended by Commissioner Sanjeet Rodrigues. This was his first meeting since he took charge of his post. Garbage issue is a major problem this municipal body is facing in past 4 years. In this meeting too, the issue was discussed. Commissioner Sanjeet Rodrigues informed corporators that they are planning to take one more site for composting around Panji bus stand. But he added that to solve this garbage problem once and for all, Bangini site is necessary. But Old Goa Panchayat is reported to have refused permissions to construct fence at this Bangini site. Now Municipal Corporation wants to meet Chief Minister Digambar Kamath once again for solving Bangini site issue. For past 3 months, Panji Municipal Corporation has failed to prepare its budget. Now, Sanjeet Rodrigues has assured Corporation that a good fiscal budget would be prepared in next 2 weeks. Corporation also decided to give salaries under 6th pay commission to its fixed employees for the month of June.
Corporation, the exact picture of financially where the corporation stands. The decision of the corporation is always binding on me and my staff. That will never change. But it is my duty to put forth the financial health of the corporation before you. And for that reason, I have requested the mayor to grant me 2 weeks.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandorkar, with video journalist Shahnawaz Mayadi for Prudent Media.
Dirty water has started leaking again from the heaps of garbage dumped at Sonsodo. Margao municipality claims that the water comes from a hillock. However, Pollution Control Board has said that they will send their team for inspection. But right now, fear of contaminated water looms large on the commercial capital of Goa.
Water leakage from heaps of garbage at Sonsodo was noticed once again on Monday. Chairman of Pollution Control Board, Dr. Simon D'Souza, informed us that they will send their technical team for inspection. He also said that there is a possibility of water getting contaminated in the area.
If it enters the drains, then it will contaminate surface waters as well as the groundwater wells. Now, right now, the action we propose to take is we'll send our inspection team there. We'll wait for the inspection report, and as soon as we get the inspection report, we'll give appropriate directions to the municipality.
Chief Officer of Margao Municipality, YB Taude, claimed that the huge amount of water comes from hillock.
Little quantity of water is coming through the heap of the garbage, whereas a large quantity of water is coming through the hillock, which is at the eastern side of our garbage hill. So that we are taking precautions of that, and this whatever some small water quantity is coming from this heap of the garbage, we are taking care of that. We are putting bleaching powder of that.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Yashwant Parab, and from Margao, Ramesh Naik Raut for Prudent Media.
Robin mobile police motorcycles were launched in the state on Monday. 30 motorcycles are allotted to various police stations for patrolling. DGP Bhimsen Bassi admitted that police control room was not attending more than 60% distress calls till now. But now he has said that these bikes will help Goa police to attend those distress calls which were left unattended.
Bassi flagged off and launched the Robin mobile police motorcycle. SP for Special Cell Atmaram Deshpande was also present at the function. Robin has all the features of PCR van. Pulsar and Splendor are the two bikes which are modified into Robin. Bassi informed us that due to less number of PCR vans in state, more than 60% of distress calls were going unattended. He said that these bikes will help in attending most of the calls.
जो भी डिस्ट्रेस कॉल आती है, आज की तारीख में डिस्ट्रेस कॉल या तो पीसीआर वैन को दी जाती है या वो पुलिस स्टेशन स्टाफ को दी जाती है, जिसके कारण क्योंकि हमारा नंबर कम है पीसीआर वैन्स का, more than 60% of the calls go unattended.
Bassi briefed us more on Robin.
गोवा पुलिस ने आज जो है 30 मोटरसाइकिल्स, जिनको हम मोबाइल पुलिस मोटरसाइकिल्स बोलेंगे, MPMs, इनको इंट्रोड्यूस किया है. ये मोटरसाइकिल पीसीआर के साथ में काम करेंगी. अभी फ़िलहाल हमारे पास तकरीबन 25 पीसीआर वैन्स हैं. इन 25 पीसीआर वैन्स जो हैं तकरीबन जो गोवा का अगर टेरिटरी को हम देखें 3700 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर के आसपास है. ये हाईली इनएडिक्वेट नंबर है.
Our video journalist from Panji, Sunny Narvekar.
Stay tuned for news from sports. We will be right back.